Hi, and welcome to Market Conversations. Just want to do a quick video on Sundial growers. Wow, the price just hasn't really moved ever since I did this video about a couple of months ago. It did reach a high of 0.96. This was back in November. Couldn't even hit a dollar. And then we hit a low of 0.4. This was back in January. Now we are trading above 0.5, but there is a risk of delisting, unfortunately. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also have a Discord, so if you guys are interested in sharing ideas and doing a 1K challenge, definitely come check it out. We did make some money this past few weeks already. For you this article, and it's titled Sundial Stock Pops Ahead of Key February 7th Deadline for Sundial Growers. So the Nasdaq notified Sundial of a difficult ultimatum last August if Sundial's price can't reach $1 by February 7th for 10 consecutive days. Then the company will face the listing from the Nasdaq exchange. Sundial was hit with this notice because the price of Sundial had stayed under $1 for 30 consecutive business days from June 25th to August 6th. Today is February 4th, and Sundial is currently trading in the 50 cents range. February 7th is less than 2 business days away, meaning Sundial would have to almost double in value before the deadline. It is too late for Sundial to trade above $1 for 10 consecutive business days before the deadline. This isn't the first time that Sundial has been in danger of being delisted. The Nasdaq gave Sundial a similar notice in 2020, and Sundial was able to trade above $1 for 2 weeks. Additionally, Sundial consolidated its last share in November through a company buyback to avoid delisting. So this is what would happen if Sundial gets delisted. Sundial's management could have chosen to play the loophole game and initiated a reverse stock split. Companies who have been given the 180-day period also may be eligible for a second 180-day period if they meet certain requirements. We will have to wait to see what Sundial is going to do next week. But in the meantime, all we can do is be as patient as possible and try to avoid buying short-term call options. I know they are cheap, but if you have bought the 1 or 1.5 strike price, you would have lost a great amount of money because the stock has not even gone above $1 since back in June. So all these people that have been buying call options after call options have been losing money. Might as well just put that money into just buying shares when they don't have an expiration dates or possibly going further out in time. I do have some call options that expire in 2023 that also lost a significant amount of value. Let's take a look. These are going for 14 cents. They're actually not too bad now. $14 for one option contract. And let's take a look at the January 2024 expiration dates. If you spend $6 more, you're getting a 1 more year till expiration date. These are $20. So best bet is to go for 2024 expiration dates if you're buying call options. So we're just going to have to see where Sundial takes us. Hopefully, they will avoid a reverse split. Reverse splits are actually really bad for a company. I just want to show you a few companies that have done a reverse split. Take a look at Humble. The stock was trading around 7. Now it's trading 0.2. Let me know if you have these stocks. We have Castor Maritime had a reverse split. People are saying this is going to go to the moon. And look where it's at. It's still around $1. Don't think this is going to move at all. Penny stocks have been getting destroyed the last year, unfortunately, and it's horrible. We have Ascent Solar. The stock was trading around 25. They just did reverse splits. It's awful when companies do reverse splits. So I know that Sundial has a lot of cash on hand, so that's a good sign. So hopefully we can try to meet the Nasdaq requirements of $1. Know in the comments down below if you think we're going to hit $1